Andun ang mother nila is upstairs. Their mother is upstairs. Ayun. Ala, kawawa. Ala, they cannot fly high. Oh, ayun, bumaba ang nanay. Oh, your mother is there. English yun, mahal. Your mother is there. She come back with you.